Welcome to the Cove House, where the marriage of architectural ingenuity and coastal elegance creates a symphony of luxury living. This iconic coastal marvel, envisioned by the acclaimed architect Reuben Lane in the 1970s, stands as a testament to a unique and architecturally significant masterpiece. A recent restoration and transformation have elevated this residence, promising a contemporary living experience while honouring its storied past. An extraordinary glass-fronted swimming pool adorned with mosaic tiles, a testament to bespoke design, beckons for indulgence. Step into the state-of-the-art kitchen adorned with Millet appliances and a walk-in pantry, where culinary dreams find their canvas amidst the breathtaking views. Every corner of this abode exudes elegance and comfort, from the master suite with its double ensuite to the meticulously crafted gardens. Cove House represents a sanctuary where luxury meets nature in perfect harmony. Cove House, an embodiment of coastal opulence and architectural grandeur, a timeless treasure in the heart of southern Sydney.